Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 9th, 2025, we're taking a detailed look at Amazon stock, Amazon, combining recent news and chart analysis. Several headlines are influencing AMZN's price action. Notably, an analyst downgraded price targets, citing tariff risks, while others still view Amazon as a strong buy, emphasizing its AI and cloud computing potential. Let's start by looking at the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. We'll examine the overall trend and identify significant support and resistance levels. Looking at the daily chart, we can see how Amazon performed over the last several months. Amazon saw a high near $242 in late 2024 and a low near $142 in early 2024. Currently, the price is near $170, and there's downward pressure on the price. Let's zoom in to better see the recent candles. Over the past few days, Amazon has experienced some volatility. On April 7th, we saw a substantial jump, followed by a significant drop on April 8th. This could be attributed to the recent analyst downgrade and concerns about upcoming tariffs. The high on April 7th nears $184, while the low on April 8th reaches $168.57, showing major indecision and pressure. Key price levels to watch include the $184 resistance and the $168.50 support. A break below the $168.50 level could signal further downside, while a move above $184 could indicate a potential rally. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. This will help us identify shorter-term trends and potential trading opportunities. On the hourly chart, we can see a clearer picture of the sharp decline on April 8th. The stock opened around $185 and rapidly fell throughout the day, finding some support around the $170 mark. This rapid decline shows strong bearish sentiment, likely fueled by the negative news. We'll want to see if the price consolidates around this area or continues downward. Now let's look at the 15-minute chart to see in even closer detail what happened during the major sell-off. The 15-minute chart shows a very fast and heavy sell-off, as you can see by the size and weight of the bearish candles. This quick movement suggests the price may rebound after it finds proper support. In the short term, I'd look for the price to stabilize around 170, but there's definitely a chance that investors could sell off lower still. In the long term, many analysts still believe the company has legs to run, with AWS being a strong growth opportunity. Keep an eye on AWS and any major world news if investing long-term. To recap, keep a close watch on the $184 resistance and the $168.50 support levels. A break in either direction could signal the next major move for Amazon. Given the current market uncertainty and the recent analyst downgrade, a retest of the $168.50 support seems more likely in the short term, with roughly 60% probability. However, if Amazon announces positive developments or manages to navigate the tariff challenges effectively, we could see a rally towards the $184 resistance, with a 40% chance in the short term. Long-term, I remain generally bullish on Amazon given their diversification into cloud services, AI, and e-commerce, and believe they will eventually exceed their 52-week high. Thanks for tuning in to Explain the Charts. I'll see you in the next video.